Hello everyone, welcome to Mirror Dreams. In this video, we are going to see about 4D printing. Yes, you heard correctly, it's 4D printing, not 3D printing. You know why it is called printing because we can print whatever we like. This printing technology is similar to a regular printer and photography printer. This 4D printing has lots of new engineering job opportunities in many areas, not only related to mechanical engineering, but also in the field of programming, which includes the mathematic modeling concept. So, guys, it's not the topic only for mechanical engineers, but it is also for the engineers who like programming. The computer science engineer also can look into this 4D printing and can make a significant improvement in 4D printing technologies. Before seeing what 4D printing is, we should know what 2D is, and 3D printing is. There is no such printing called 1D printing, so we can ignore it. 2D printing is nothing but our regular printer and the photography printer. Everyone might use this printer at least once in our life. So I hope I no need to explain much about 2D printing now. I am now moving on to 3D printing. When comparing 2D printing, in 3D printing, the D represents dimension, and 3D represents a dimension in all three directions. In the engineering term, it is called X, Y, Z direction, or length, width, and thickness. Compared with 2D, the third D represents thickness. When a part is printed on this 3D printing, we can use part for the real-time application. The technological advantage of 3D printing is we can use the same machine to print different parts without changing any setup. Do you know why I said without changing any setup? There is a reason. In a normal conventional method like lathe machine, we have to change the tool setup to make different parts, but in the case of 3D printing, there is no need to change any tools or setup. Here comes out topic 4D printing. 4D printing is similar to 3D printing, but there is a difference. 4D printing has one D additional to 3D printing. This D represents either time or temperature. Yes, it's time or temperature. Now let's move on to a comparison of 4D and 3D printing. I hope everyone can see in the video a comparative diagram for 4D printing and 3D printing. In 3D printing, we use the material in a 3D printer. The printer prints out the final part. The final part is a static structure. The reason why I said it is a static structure because we cannot change its shape after it printed. But it's not the same with 4D printing. Yes, we can change the shape after it printed. Now let's see about 4D printing. Here we use Smart Material, multi-material 3D printer, and inverse probe modeling. What is the Smart Material? We are using a special kind of material for this printing process. We can see detailed information about Smart Material in a separate video. The multi-material 3D printer uses more than one nozzle to print different material combinations. The number of nozzles depends on the different number of materials used. Yes, the number of nozzles depends on material combinations. Inverse mathematic modeling. It is considered as the most important step in the 4D printing process. Here the engineer should have an idea of how the part should look after it printed, and how it should change its shape after it is exposed to the stimulus. Let's see a video to understand better. We are seeing the part which is printed using 4D printing technology, and it is dropped in water. Slowly the rod is changing its form to the new shape. This 4D printing technology has many technological advantages and applications. In future videos, we can see the technical applications of 4D printing. I hope everyone likes my video. Please click on the like button. Give your comments in the comments section. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye, have a nice day.